I think everybody should get one of these. Brother! Yo, shit.
I keep my head above the water. Eyes getting bigger, so the world's getting smaller.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Northside Noah, back at it again with another vlog. It's been a minute. We're outside on the north side, the east coast, you know what I'm talking about. No, but we outside. It's cold. I picked up another 110. We got a 2003 KLX 110, and gonna have some fun with this thing. Your boy did a thing and he picked up another 110. This one's not as nice as the other ones. This one's a $500 marketplace buy, you know what I'm saying? Can't say no to a old $500 110. So we picked up the 110. It fired up, it ran. It's a hoopty, but I haven't really rode it. It's got no foot pegs. I gotta rethread the bolts and shit. I was gonna initially tune it up and then give it away or raffle it or something, but I am just gonna fix it up and keep it for a beater, practice building the motor, refresh the motor, give it a whole refresh, you know. I just keep buying 110s and refreshing them. But yeah, I think that'd be cool, you know. Let's see if this thing fires up, man. Fucking cold. It's so cold out here, dude. Uh-oh. Not the good, buddy. Maybe a little choke. Put a little choke on. She starts. I mean, she don't sound the greatest, but a little 110, you know. I got no foot pegs. See if we can get into something here. Immediately got stuck. No, I like this thing. I like the faster minis bars. It's pretty dope. This thing's hurt. It's definitely gonna need a rebuild. I mean, it might not, but I'm gonna rebuild it. It's so slippery out here. I kinda wanna build a jump. I wish I had foot pegs though. I guess that works. Yeah, this thing's fun. Big kids gotta play in the snow too. This thing's actually not bad for an old 03. Yeah, oh, it's so cold. This thing's fun. Got no back brake, crazy. This thing's pretty sweet if I do say so myself. No clutch. Oh shit. I gotta get that good on my sporty, baby. Oh, dirt biking is so fun. That was worth the $500 right there. Honestly. Plus the handlebar's pretty cool. But yeah, dude, I mean, I just had mad fun right there. That was dope. I just stud the tire on this thing. I ripped this thing on the ice with the homies, maybe. I don't know. This thing's pretty sweet. For $100, I like it. I was gonna raffle it off like $50 or $70 a spot, like 35 to like 45 spots. Somebody would have got a $70 or like a $50 bike. You know, I think it's worth it. It looks like Yamaha. No, I know. It's not. It's just blue plastics. Kawasaki. It's a little 110. It's awesome. Oh, this is so fun. Hell yeah. Alright guys, so I'm outside. I'm out with my boy Devin. Ow. Alright guys, so we're outside. I'm out with my boy Devin. He's got the KLX 2023 140 RL. I got the old school 03 outside with it. Dude, feather your clutch with one thing, like hold your finger over your clutch and try doing wheelies just and just kind of walk it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try out this 140. Homie's having trouble with the 110. I don't want to knock my drink over. This back brake is stiff. Nah, it's really tight. Is it usually really tight? Yeah. Alright. It's a rental, don't be gentle. The back brake's being weird. Yeah, there you go. Oh, this thing's cool, dude. Oh. No, this thing's cool. I like this. This is what I was talking about. Yeah. It's hard to do it on this, it's so big. Let's see if I do a circle. Let me know when you want this thing back. Nah, this thing's cool though. 2023 KLX 110 or 140R. Yeah, this thing's cool. Here we go, so wheelie practice, letting them rip the 110. In return, I wheelie this big bike. Yeah, this thing's pretty cool. I might need to get a 140 or 150. Literally, it's nice. It's just good to learn wheelies, dude. No! Oh! Almost hit my drink. That would have sucked, guys. Yeah. Yeah, you can probably ride through the snow pretty good.
With that thing?
Yeah, it's pretty tall. Just gotta treat it like a two-stroke, give it a little gas. Oh, it's so light compared to that. Alright, dude. We're back on the clapper. Ooh, this thing feels crazy. Yeah. Yeah, did your back brake feel weird? Or does that feel normal? Okay, cool. I'm like, I hope I didn't break it. I rode it for like a second. Alright guys, we're gonna try to get through the snow with the 110. You guys already know, we're going through the snow. It's gonna be lit. We got Devin out here doing burnouts and shit. Alright. Dude, this thing's pretty dope for a little clapper. I think everybody should get one of these. Who needs a snowmobile, bro? That's crazy, dude. Oh. That was crazy. That's too much fun. Yes, dude. Holy shit, dude, that's fun. Yo, send it full speed. This thing's awesome. I love this little thing. Oh, no brake, no brake. KLX 110, 2003 Ultimate Snow Bike. Changed my mind. Oh no! Homie's down. I think I woke this thing up. Maybe not. No, I just died. This thing's fun though, holy fuck.
Got that back tire buried.
Need a hand? There you go. Oh. What? Oh. Over here kicking it, it's not even on. You good? Hell yeah. Yeah, this shit's fun. I love little bikes. I mean, that's pretty big, but it's still fun as fuck. She's stuck. Here, hold on a second. You're welcome, dog. That's funny. How does it work out, huh? You want to pull or something?
No, I'm good.
Alright. Dude, this 110's pretty fucking sweet. Not bad for $500 bike. It's already paid. I've had $500 worth of fun already. Dude, the 110 made it. Will the 140? I'll give you a tow. Yeah. There he goes. Gonna practice for my sporty. I'll get my sporty back. Yeah. Brother! Brother! Yo, shit. Oh man. Oh, brother. Think I touched the ground? Oh shit, that's funny. Oh. These things beat you up. It's like a little fucking Harley stunt show over here. Yeah. Yeah. Pow pow. Holy shit. Whew. This thing's got clapped out suspension. See if we get some wide donuts. That was all case. Weird. Alright guys, so I'll probably wrap up the video. It's been a minute. I hope you enjoyed it. Right into the drift, dude. That was cool. Alright. If you like the vlog, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Just talking to myself. That was fun. Hell yeah. You just like lay it on the side or something. Either side, don't matter. Alright guys, so that was lit. The cop ended up pulling up to the parking lot where we first went and then pulled up to the lot we were at. But we were already all loaded up and about to leave, so they just turned around and she was wicked cool, honestly. It's been real. The 110's dope. We're gonna keep it. We're gonna make that thing awesome. Shout out to everybody watching the videos. We'll have merch dropping on the channel and the Instagram page, the Blow Motor Club. I'm thinking about studding the tires on the KLX 110 and taking that thing out to rip. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up the vlog. If you liked the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video, but big plans for this thing. We're gonna do the full rebuild and probably powder coat the frame and everything because it's all fucking frozen and gonna rust probably, but yeah, I don't feel like going to storage tonight, so just gotta get the full makeover, full restoration it needs. But this thing's pretty fucking awesome, bro. I love it. Not a bad little $500 investment for sure. And this block is junk, dude. Throw that in the trash. But yeah. Peace.